In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to open up multiple files at once on your VLC Media Player. So perhaps you have a playlist and you want to just open it up and put it in your library. In today's tutorial, I have you covered, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up VLC Media Player and select the Media tab at the top, and then select where it says Open Multiple Files. You can also tap the Control, Shift, and O key on your keyboard as well, and then select the Add button on this page. Locate and just hover over or highlight whatever items you want to add. Select Open. You can also locate the media on a disk, on the network, or maybe even a capture device if you have that connected to your computer. And then you will select the play button to go ahead and add that, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.